Grade 2s, it's a wonderful morning today. It's the 6th of July, 2020. It's Teacher Tebogo again. Let's start with our class. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Who did their homework? Can I see by your raising of hands?
Yes, teacher.
You did? Okay. Remember, you must send it so that I can share it on the screen, okay?
And I did send it to you.
You did? Okay, I will double check. I will double check it. Okay, I'm speaking to
Tabisita.
Tabisitze. Okay, I will double. Okay, let's quickly go through the homework. Right here, we said divide the following numbers by counting, then dividing. Okay, let's see what we have here. Remember, when we write, we start from the left to the right. So we are going to count from the left to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did you all get 16?
Yes, ma'am.
You did. Okay. There we go. And then now the question was saying that you need to divide it into 2. You must share. You must share the pictures. Okay. So if we divide 16 by 2, we get 8. Okay, I got it as well. Remember, another way is that, remember we said that you can actually count them. You've got 2 sides and then you share them. This side and that side, and then you will 8. Right. Now let's see the next picture. How many objects do we have? Can anybody tell me how many objects we have there? Fruits and veggies. How many?
8.
Let's double check. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, well done, it's 8. And then 8 divided by 2, or 8 equally, what will be your answer?
16.
16.
Ma'am?
What is it? What's the answer?
6.
6. Okay, let's double check the answer. Remember we said that, okay, I hear, oh, Bichi, sorry, you wanted to say?
Ma'am, I'm new.
You are?
I'm new.
Okay, all right, okay, it's fine. So here we said we've got 8, counted the fruit and the vegetables. We've got some fish there and some cheese. It's 8. So the homework was saying that divide the number by 2, okay? So if we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. Or if you don't know how we get 4, you can share equally. If I can draw a line there, you will see that they must be equal. They must share equally. Okay, let's see somebody chatting there. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. If we share 8 equally, each group or each person will get 4. Well done. Okay, let's go now to the next picture and see how many cats do we have there?
10.
10. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3,
10.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. They are 10. And if we share these cats equally,
5.
how much will
And 10 5. And 10 divided by 2 is 5.
I hear 5? Is there anyone? Do you agree?
Yes, 5. Yes.
Okay, remember we said that they must be shared equally. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we draw our line there, let's see if we've got 5 this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's 5. Well done. That is correct. Okay. So let's see the next one there.
Mom.
How many ducks do we have there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
Okay, we've got 10 ducks and
10
then
ducks. 10
good.
divided 5.
If we share them,
10. Get 10.
all right, that's 10. If we divide 10 by 2, what do we get?
5.
If we share them equally,
10.
5. Yes.
Divided.
We can draw a line there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They must be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Well done. Okay. Now let's see. Now we do our gymnastics, hey? Our number gymnastics. Okay. We are going to count in tens. We are going to count from 10 there. Look at my cursor. Let's
20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20,
10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
I'm going to
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
mute all of you
70, 80,
now.
90, 100.
That's good. Well done. I'm going to mute you and then you will count. What is important is not just to sing, but is to know the numbers. So that if I can tell you write 20 for me, you will be able to write it as well as you can say it, okay? Now we are going to count together. Ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100. Well done. If you've got a chart like this at home, you can count on your own and you can also write these numbers so that you can say them and know them. Okay, now we are going to count backwards. We are going to start from 88 to 44. I want us to go at the same pace. Wait. Let's go at the same pace. Ready, go. 88, 87, 86,
87,
82,
81, 63, 65, 61, 63, 62, 65, 69,
49,
59,
59,
57,
54, done.
51,
49, 48, 47,
50,
45,
48,
40,
47,
40,
45,
45,
40.
44.
Well done, grade twos.
5.
Okay,
Hi.
right.
And
Okay, we are muting you now. I'm muting you now. Right. We are muting you. Today we are learning a new subject which we call place
What?
value.
value.
Good, yes.
Place
So
value.
place value is the value of each
Each date
digit
in a number.
number. You see, for example, I will show you. Okay. I will show you later.
It is
So it is very important for you to understand that digits
the date
or
numbers can be
can be the same. Okay.
Next one.
Good. It's coming. Right. So the value of the digit or the number depends on where
it is in
it is the number. It will make sense just now. Right. You remember we had this, yes, last
Let's
week.
see the place value.
Okay.
3, 4,
One.
5,
So let's see.
7,
Ma'am,
8,
please
9,
can you
10. 5, 10, 15, 20.
okay? One slap.
You are going to count. You're going to count all these Easter eggs. How many are they? How many Easter eggs do we have there? Let's see. 1,
20.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in your chat box.
24.
I hear 24. I hear 12. Okay, let's count together. 24. Can you count in fours? Can you try counting in fours?
24 eggs.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Well done. I see 24s there. Right. Okay. So how many eggs do we see? We see 24. Now,
I need my stuff.
I want you to look at this number. Look at this number and see, boys and girls, I want you to listen. This is important. After we know how many the eggs are, we need to find out the place value of each digit or number. You see that 24 there is made up of 2 and 4. Do you agree? Okay, if you look at 24, you've got a number there 2 and a number there 4. But you actually cannot say I've got 2, 4 eggs. It's not correct. So that is why we say 24. But it is important for you to know where is this 20 from. I will show you just now. So when you look at this 2, this don't call it as a 2, but it is a 20. And this 4, it is a 4. It doesn't change. So that's why when we add 20 plus 4, it gives us 24. It doesn't give us 24. It gives
Please
us
stop singing.
24. I want you to be attentive. We are muting you now, all of you. Okay.
One count how many eggs.
All right. So let's look at the next one. Let's have some more place values.
More place.
Oh, there's a dog whooping, and we've got dogs on the screen there. How many dogs do we have there? Anybody can tell me?
16
Write
dogs.
it in the chat box.
16.
I hear 16. Other number.
16.
Okay, let's count now in fours. 4, 8.
Hi, ma'am.
16 dogs.
Okay.
Mrs. Itole? Mrs. Itole?
Good morning.
Hi there. Sorry, ma'am. It's very hard for Taylor to follow with all the children shouting out. Is it possible to mute everybody and then have them answer in the chat box and maybe just or mute the children when they raise their hands? Otherwise, Taylor's leaving the class. She
Feedback. So I'm going to ask that when I speak, you will quickly type in your answers there in the chat box. Okay? Right. So we agreed we've got 16 dogs there. Okay, we've counted them. And then we got 16 dogs. Okay. Okay, so now we go to the next step. The next step says we want to determine the place value. We want to see, why do we say 16? Okay. So the question will be, what is the place value of 1 and 6? What is the place value of 1 and 6? What is this one? What does it represent? This 6, what does it represent? Okay, so that 1, the place value of 1 there is not 1, but it is 10. Okay, and then the place of 6 remains 6. You will see how we say the number. When you add 10 plus 6, it will give you 16. It doesn't give you 1 6. So that is why it is important for us to understand place value. Okay? When you see a number, you can tell which one is a 10, a tenth, and which one is a unit. All right. We do some more place values there. Okay. 25 plus 10. Can you tell me in your chat box is 29 plus 10? 25 plus 10? Me, what is 25 plus 10 in your chat box? Okay, let's see. Oritabi Sitse, Taylor 35, Faith 35. Well done. Nompumelelo Tlotlo, good. 35 is the answer. You are great. Okay, but I'm not only looking at the answer. We want to see the place value. We want to see and say what each number represents. Okay, now let's see. Okay, there we go. We've got 53 plus 27. Can somebody tell me what is 53 plus 27? 53 plus 27. Anybody who can try for us? 53 plus 27. Oritabisita, I see you. Nompumelelo, I see you. Okay. I see your answer to check me now. All right, Faith, I see you. Ndiwu, I see you as well. Okay, I wanted to check my answer and you are going to give me a tick whether it's correct or not. The answer is 80. Yes, I can see that most of you got it. Right, okay. We go to the next one. Wow. Number, okay. 119 plus 61. We do not say 119. We say 119 plus 61. Can somebody tell me, what do you think is the answer there? Okay, Nompumelelo, I see you. Oritabisita, I see you. Tlotlo, I see you. Okay. Now you are going to check me. Let's see. 180. Chiera, I also see you. Well done. Oritabisita, I see it's 180. Okay. So let us see why do we want to look at this. So we are going to have more practice of place value, okay? There we've got 25 plus 10. You said it's 35. That's good. That's now let us see place value. If we see this 25 and we break it down, this 2, even if it looks like 2, but it is not a 2, but it is a 20, okay? Because when you count 1 up to 10, 11, 20 to 25, so this is how we write 20. For us to say 25, this is how we write 20, okay? And then now let's see the next one. This 5 is represented by the number, the unit 5. So that's why when we call it, we say 25. 5, not 2, 5. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so the 1 here in 10, it's not 1, but it is 10. And the 0 there doesn't change, it becomes 0. That's right. Okay, and then now let's see. When we want to add everything up to prove the answer there, we've got the 20 plus the 5 plus the 10 plus the 0. Okay, that is your 25 plus 10, which is 35. Or if you want to count in tens, you can say 20, 30 plus 5. It gives you 35. That's correct. The answers are the same. But here what is important was not just to get the correct answer. The main reason is for us to understand that the 2 in 25, it's not 2, but it is 20. And the it's 5. And the 1 in 10 is not 1, but it is 10. Okay, let's look at another example. Okay, there we have 53 plus 27. You added it up for me and you said it is 80. That's correct. Okay, now let's see. When we want to explain the 53 there, 5 in 53 is not 5, but it is what? It is 50. Are we together? And the 3 there doesn't, it remains as 3. Okay, and then there, the 2 we have in 27 is 20. It's not 2. We don't say 2, 7. We say 27. So now when we add this number that we have broken down, we've got our 50 there, plus 3, plus 20, plus 7. It gives us 80. If you want to count in multiples of 10 to be easy, it will be 50 plus 20, it's 70. 70 plus 7, it's 77. Plus 3, it gives you 80. Well done, that's correct. Let's look at the next one. We've got number of hours, which was 119 plus 61. We said it is equals to 100. So we are going to break down this number for us to show that then place value. So the first one that we have there, you can see it's 1 and then it's got 2 spaces there. So it's 1 and nothing there. So the first one is 100. The second one there is 10. If you can look at it, and then what follows next, it's a 1 digit. So it is 10. And then let's see, 9 doesn't change. It remains 9. Okay. And then let's look at 61. You can type in your chat box there. 6 is represented by what? This 6, what is this 6? This is 60. Okay, and then this one, does it change? Let's see in your chat box. Does the one change? No, the 1 does not change. It remains 1. Okay, let's go. It remains 1. So still the same number. You will see when we add everything that is the same. We've got 100 plus 10 plus 9 plus 60 plus 1. Okay, so remember, if it's easy for you to add in multiples of 60, multiples of 10, sorry. So 100, which is a multiple of 10, and then another multiple of 10, there it is, it's 10. So we can say 100 plus 10, it's 110. Another multiple of 10 is there. It's 110 plus 60. Let's see in the chat box. It is 170. 179 plus 1 is 180. So you can actually see that nothing has changed. The only thing is that you are showing us you understand place value. You understand that if you've got 1 in this 119, the first one, that it is not a 1, but it is a 100. So when you read this number, you will not be correct by saying it is 119. No, it is 119. Well done. Let's look at the next one. So this is also a quick revision of subtraction. Can somebody give me an answer there in the chat box? 47 minus 10. Yes, you're correct. It's 37. Yes, I see you. It is 37. Okay, there we go. 30. And then 110 minus 90. How much do you get? 110 minus 90. Can I see in the chat box? Look at the sign. We are not adding, we are subtracting. You're taking away. Try again. 110 minus 90. I'm going to show you doing this tomorrow. So here we are demonstrating. Okay, let's start counting then from 90 to 110. We are counting in tens from 90 to 110. 90 plus 10 is what? It's 100. Good. From 100 to 110, it's what? It's another 10. So then it means that our answer is 20. Well done. Okay, so you can actually do it backwards, all right? But tomorrow, we are going to use another method. You will see it, okay? Right, 54 minus 3. Can somebody check what it is? I remember somebody said 4 minus 3, it's 1. And for place value, today we're not saying 5, we're saying 50 minus 20, it's what? It's 30. So our answer is 31. Well done. Okay. So you can snapshot this or write them down so that you can practice, practice, practice. Okay. So this is our homework for today. I want you to add these numbers and give me an answer, and also give me the place value. Give me the place value of 2 here, and give me the place value of 7, and give me the place value of 5. And then the second one, I want you to add, this is our homework, I want you to add 68 plus 88. You'll give me an answer there. And you'll also give me a place value. You'll tell me what is the place value of 6, what is the place value of 8, what is the place value of this 8 in this number 88, and what is the place value of the last 8. Okay. And then you will add 49 plus 24. You give me the answer, and then you'll also give me the place value of 4 in 49, of 9 in 49, the place value of 2 in 24, and the place value of 4 in 24. That's the first part. And then the second part of the homework. Okay, I want you to give us a 3-digit number. A 3-digit number. For example, if you've got 25, 25 is a 2-digit number. It means it's got 2 numbers. So you are going to give us a 3-digit number, and also give us the place value of each digit. Okay? And then you're going to give us a 2-digit number of your choice, and then you will give me the place value of each digit. I think we've gone over time today. If you've got any questions, if you've got any queries, feel free to drop me a line. You can send your questions and your homework here at my email address. And tomorrow, whatever answers I get, whatever homeworks, I will slot them and put them on the slide. And it will be so much fun to work with your homework. So, grade 2s, it's been wonderful being with you today. Remember, any questions, you can drop them there if you need any clarity. It's been wonderful being with you. Have a lovely day. Goodbye. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.